Come test drive the 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, heated seats, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.